Origin's CheckMate software is fully integrated with SOLIDWORKS. It has a full selection of ribbons, from measurements to probe moves and rotations, from constructions and alignments to GD&T, all while maintaining full control for the user. The programming browser over on the right is not only a listing of the program that the user is creating, but is a very powerful tool for editing features individually or globally, in addition to arranging or rearranging measurement order using simple drag and drop. It also provides quick access to a lot of frequently used program functions. The graphical program can be organized into segments. For example, a segment for the alignments, in-process checks for key features, or first article checks. These segments can be output to create DMIS code in any order or even one at a time to create separate programs. We can program measurements from the ribbon. We can also program measurements using the intelligent point-and-click auto-measure function at the bottom of the programming browser, whether it's prismatic features or creating profile checks right down the middle of a face. Now, let's use one of CheckMate's automation tools and add some probe moves and rotations automatically, and another automation tool to check for and fix collisions. Another powerful programming tool is the Measure All command that will measure all features on the part based on specific settings, such as approach directions, depth and diameter controls, and of course finishing up with program automation, including optimizing program order, adding probe moves and rotations, and collision correction. If any of the features being measured have MBD, then those tolerance and name settings will be used. Otherwise, tolerance and name settings come from the CheckMate default settings, as opposed to CheckMate's Auto MBD, which only generates measurements with the features that have PMI MBD. Once we have performed the Measure All, we can still edit the program like before. We can delete features, we can add features, but once we are happy with what we have, it is time to output a DMIS program. CheckMate can output this graphical program to DMIS code for over 50 different CMMs.